but she was mine. Every morning I would see you waiting at the top and she would show me what is wrong. All the people said I just weren't what insane something and her life going to be the same. That's the way that whole thing started. That's the way it started. Delivery. Thinking of a sweet romance beginning in nature. All the time ice was melting, no more melting now. Nice to think that that umbrella led me to a vow.
Relax lang.
Nasaya ko eh.
Ano sabi mo?
I love you.
Parang I love you lang.
I love you. Kuya Rico.
Uy!
Video yan, gago.
Ay! Ano mo tagi na?
Magbigay ka ng message mo.
Ay, birthday boy, oh.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to me.
Wish ko sana tumangkad pa si Mama.
Bakit?
Morning I would see her waiting at the top. Sometimes she would laugh and she would show me what she was.
Binig ko rin I love you.
Sabi ko,
All the people scared as if we were both white stains somewhere and her dark home to the same.
Tanga naman.
nasakto lang ni Z kasi yung uso.
They're rusted.
Missing ko ano
Instead,
yung
my
uso.
umbrella. But ghostly stays now grow under
Memorize
my
ang
Parang namin tumitok si Mario kahit nagbabat.
all that summer we employed it, wind and rain and shine. That umbrella we employed it, but she was fine. At the bus stop, she was waiting for the man at the bus stop.
Ugat lang ni Joshua.
Pagod. Lalo na hininga namin.
Ayan! Construction! Yeah!
Macho man.
Sabayaw ka. Dali na.
Bakit nagbibiro ka lang, kuya?
Makita yung letter.
Bakit nagbibiro ka? Nagbibiro ka?
Maki, ang bait mo talaga, Maki!
Bakit na naman?
Seryoso yan. Dala. Seryoso yan.
Sino yan?
Hindi ko alam kung sino nag-order niyan.
Hindi wala, wala.
Pre, seryoso yan.
Marlon na Sanseno, putang ina.
Inyag ka, Susa, inyag ka.
Sa video.
Sino?
Talaga nasaktan ka ba? Charot.
Kahit sino, Brad, wag lang yun. Baji, si Baji.
Ito, ano sabi ko lang, ang
Choosy ka
mama
ba?
ko. Walang lalabas dito, ha? Walang lalabas. 3883.
Hoy, wala munang magpo-post. Walang magpo-post.
Walang lalabas, ha? Walang lalabas.
Hindi, masaya ko birthday ni Maki, Brad. Ba't sa akin nakapokus sa putang
Walang lalabas, walang lalabas. Usama lang natin sa emperador lang yung papalirap na.
And it felt so good. I wanna
T-shirt pa ako niya.
Pwede ba ko na mamaya?
Hindi yun picture, teka lang. Hindi yun muna.
Hindi ng birthday ni Mami. Hindi.
It felt so good! Wala akong mic.
Kaya paging ice.
Bakit ko konti? Kanina ang dami. Since we're talking, what was it like when you were young?
Ha?
Closing.
Had the world changed?
Dala talaga yun. Hindi talaga ako nagwawala. Pero, cute daw ako, sabi niya. Pero, hindi ako naniniwala.